Ada awak lagi dua lah. Kalau boleh keluar pun tak ada itu, tak ada passenger.
Error code E4 solution. There is door sensor, just you short it, or if you have door sensor, just change it. And second step, there is water sensor. You have to change the water sensor. And if there is door switch, see there is no door switch. If there is door switch, you have to check the door switch. Third step. And fourth step, maybe in the PCB board. Then I remove the top cover, and I'll remove the PCB board, and let me try it. Yeah, I have removed. And then finally I have tried all the steps, and finally I have found its problem is loose connection from door water sensor to PCB board, this connector. Yeah, let me remove the cable connector. Yeah, I have removed, and then I want to show you. See, one connector is white and one connector is black. So this connector is okay and that connector is not okay. That's why I have taken a small knife to clean it, and I have cleaned, and let's see how is it after clean. After clean, I have connected, and then let's try, and we'll set the spin. Yeah, then start. Yeah, water is draining. Yeah, it's normal. Okay, after that, if it is okay, successful, then it should spin the drum. Yeah, see, it has been successful. Alhamdulillah, it's spinning. Okay, then I stopped it. Yeah, it's working fine. Yeah, after I fix, then I'm going to try it again. Finally, spin mode, start.
Boleh hantar ke bilang pasar ke? Rumah semalam. Nanti kalau saya ingat, nanti saya call. Alright. Ini apa ni? Yang ni satu roll. Ni 140. Satu roll. Satu dia 100. Satu kat mana tu? Ini Anika dekat Sman tau. Ada hilang satu roll.
Okay, dear, thank you so much. It's working fine. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.